Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're playing some Roblox Fashion Famous. So we're just waiting for the new game to start. Frozen, I am being Olaf. Oh, this is cute. I'm gonna use your head. Oh, I love how they get sent Anna. How do we do this? I don't know. I'm gonna be Olaf. And my outfit's already white, so it's fine. All I need to do is dye myself white. White. I'm Olaf. Don't need to do nothing. Olaf is big and fat. Would he be fat? I don't know. I'm just thinking. Wee. Yeah, I'm white. Like, no, not. Olaf doesn't have hair. He has a top hat, right? There's no top hats. Stupid. What's the Olaf love in this place? This is close enough. Mine barely needs anything. Like, no one ever gets, like, whenever there's a topic handed, no one gets it. Like, no one gets this topic. I should be like, hi, I'm Snow. But no, we're going Olaf. Because I must be just making everything hard. I just need to add one more thing. This round is so boring. Everyone would just see like, oh my god, what was that person doing? We'll get hot chocolate. It's on the side. Nope, it's on that side. Yeah, we'll get hot chocolate because everyone in the winter has hot chocolate. Any hats? Snowman? Oh, what about this? Oh, well, this one's cute. You get a little scarf. That's Ladybug. Oh, perfect. Perfect. Yay. Yes. We are a perfect snowman. This is an even better top hat. We need to get rid of that. Put on this one. Oh my god, this is super cute. There's no blue scarves. We just have this one. And guys, don't forget to go check out my sister's YouTube channel. Crazy Kitty Plays. It would help her a lot to get to 100 subscribers. So thank you. Anyways, let's get back to the game. So I am a cute little snowman. I have no purpose now. I am a snow man. Why is it snowman? Why can't it be snow woman? Girl, snow girl. Like this. Oh, this. Hopefully, I come first. Oh my god, I actually came first. snowman. Snowmen don't have clothing, so vote for me. Ooh. I am Elsa. This is original. I'm gonna give it a 1. Kind of original. That's kind of very original, so I'm gonna give it a 1. Okay, so next person. I don't want this girl to win again. Because, I don't know, she's just my enemy. I don't know how to say that word, so sorry. Vote, she just says vote me all the time. You can't just win by asking. That's not fair. It isn't fair. You just asked for people to vote for her. No. Let me see. I'm Elsa's. What? What? What is she saying? I don't know what you're saying, so. Never mind. Ooh, good. What? What? You can just see her chat still. I'm Granny. I'm not gonna vote for Granny. I don't like Granny. She's evil. She scares me. If you haven't seen the actual game Granny, it's scary. I got first place. I got first place. Thank you. Thank you so much. See, like, this is the key to winning. Cuteness and sometimes craziness is the key to winning. If you heard that eating noise, it was just standing at the door eating food. So I was happy that I won. I got more money. I want to see what place I am in the leaderboard right now. I'm probably going to be like... Oh my god! I am first! I'm first! Yay! I'm just gonna have everyone... I don't want to say hi yet. I don't want to say... I sometimes when like... No, sometimes when people just like walk up to you and say hi and just like immediately add you after, it's kind of creepy. Like you don't even know. Crazy shades. Oh yes. Yes. I will rock this one. Just go stupid. Stupid time. I'm gonna be stupid. Stupid stuff. Where's those crazy ones? These ones. Those ones. Can I add this too? Oh. So funny. This one's hilarious. I love this round. We're gonna put on some boy hair. Gonna put on stuff. This one is perfect, you know? I already have a big nose. Oh yeah, I don't have medium hair. Don't you dare take my look. Get away from me. I look hilarious. What? what? I'll just say like want some flowers because I have some flowers in my hand. I'll just say want some flowers and we can be besties. Which color skin? Green or blue? Green. There's never enough green in life. You're gonna be like a robot. Yeah, I look hilarious. I just need to pick an outfit. Outfit time. Funny, stupid outfit. Let me thing one. And what pants? Should I need like stupid looking pants? Boxers. Perfect. Is there anything to buy in here? Oh, these faces. Why is there linking Twitter on there? Well, all of these ones I don't want to use. So, I'll just go back to the normal face. We will get this one. We're done. We just have to wait. I'm just joking, we're not just gonna sit there for silence. Because it's too quiet for too long. Can we add another hair? I'm gonna add another one. Because I feel like adding heaps of hair. What? How is hair a hat? I don't get that. I'm gonna get it. I swear to God, sometimes when these people win, I think that people just vote for them and give them like 5 because they just started. But that's not what the game is about. It's about voting for the best outfit. Want some flowers? BFFs. Yes. Lies. Lies, lies, lies. That is a liar. That's what he is. Oh, that's inappropriate. You can't. He's about to say it. He said, oh my God, that is so not fair.